Welcome to Session 11, Measurement, Unit Conversion, and Dimensional Reasoning. Measurement connects numbers to units. Conversion changes the unit name and numerical value without changing the physical quantity. Dimensional reasoning treats units as factors that cancel, providing a visible check on setup. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Convert within common metric and customary units. Convert rates and compound units. Distinguish linear, square, and cubic conversion factors. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, a conversion factor equals 1 and changes only the unit name. Units should cancel algebraically across the calculation. Area and volume conversions require squared or cubed factors. Worked example 1. Convert 3.5 feet to inches. Multiply by 12 inches per foot. The foot units cancel, leaving 42 inches. Check. Because inches are smaller than feet, the numerical value should increase. Worked example 2. Convert 5 kilometers to meters. Multiply by 1,000 meters per kilometer. Kilometers cancel, producing 5,000 meters. Check. 5 groups of 1,000 meters equal 5 kilometers. Worked example 3. Convert 72 square inches to square feet. Because area is two-dimensional, square the conversion factor. 72 divided by 144 is 1/2 square foot. Check. 1 square foot contains 144 square inches. Watch for this common error, using a linear conversion factor unchanged for area or volume. Correction: square the factor for area and cube it for volume. Use this routine. Name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Use labeled conversion factors, cancel units visibly, compute only after the unit pathway is correct, and verify the scale of the result. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.